Hi, my name is Denise. My husband, Jeff, and I chose Lemon Remodeling to remodel our ADU, and we are so happy with the results. My husband and I did our research. We looked at dozens of contractors, and we met with quite a few. We ultimately decided to go with Lemon Remodeling because we were just so pleased and so impressed with our initial visits, with how they told us they would work with us from conception to completion, and how they would continue to be available to us should anything ever arise. We were really pleased with their professionalism and with their attention to detail. One of the big considerations for me in choosing a contractor was their ability to work with my dogs. I have 2 rescues, and keeping them safe and in the yard was a priority. Lemon made that their priority as well, made sure that they were safe, got a fence to keep them enclosed, and every day checked in with me to make sure that not only the needs of my husband and I, but our 2 rescue dogs were well taken care of. We were really pleased with our on-site contractors. Ben, Eli, and Felix helped us, and we're here every day to answer every question and to kind of hold our hand through the process, because it was our first big remodel together for my husband and I. And having people that could answer our questions and were prompt and attentive really made the process so much more comfortable for us. Lemon set up a WhatsApp group for us where we could text and type any time of the day, night, early morning if we had questions. And someone always got back to us very promptly so that we felt at ease and like we weren't having to wait over a weekend or over a holiday for a response. I would highly recommend Lemon Remodeling, and I would recommend them to any of my neighbors or anyone in my community.